Hey guys. We are going to discuss first essay question from 2015 February question paper. The question is name the hormones of anterior and posterior pituitary glands. Write about their actions in detail.
Name the hormones of anterior pituitary. The anterior pituitary gland produces 6 major hormones. 1. Prolactin, PRL. 2. Growth hormone, GH. 3. Adrenocorticotropic hormone, ACT. 4. Luteinizing hormone, LH. 5. Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. And 6. Thyroid-stimulating hormone, TSH.
What is the function of the anterior pituitary gland? The anterior pituitary regulates several physiological processes, including stress, growth, reproduction, and lactation. Proper functioning of the anterior pituitary and of the organs it regulates can often be ascertained via blood tests that measure hormone levels.
What is the happy hormone? Dopamine, often called the happy hormone. Dopamine results in feelings of well-being. A primary driver of the brain's reward system, it spikes when we experience something pleasurable.
What are the symptoms of pituitary gland problems? Nausea, weakness, unexplained weight loss or weight gain, loss of body hair, feeling cold, feeling tired or weak, menstrual changes or loss of menstrual periods in women, erectile dysfunction, trouble with erections in men.
Why pituitary gland is known as master gland? The pituitary gland is sometimes called the master gland of the endocrine system because it controls the functions of many of the other endocrine glands. The gland is attached to the hypothalamus, a part of the brain that affects the pituitary gland, by nerve fibers and blood vessels.
Name the hormones of posterior pituitary gland. The posterior lobe produces 2 hormones, vasopressin and oxytocin. These hormones are released when the hypothalamus sends messages to the pituitary gland through nerve cells. Vasopressin is also known as antidiuretic hormone, AD.
What is the main function of the posterior pituitary gland? The primary function of the posterior pituitary is the transmission of hormones originating from neurons located in hypothalamic brain regions such as the supraoptic nucleus, sun, and paraventricular nucleus, PVN, for secretion directly into peripheral circulation.
Is luteinizing hormone posterior pituitary? Follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, and luteinizing hormone, LH. FSH and LH are produced by the gonadotropes in the anterior pituitary. GnRH from the hypothalamus stimulates the synthesis and secretion of these gonadotropic hormones, particularly LH.
What hormones would be affected if the posterior pituitary gland is damaged? Posterior pituitary injury results in loss of hypothalamic control of antidiuretic hormone (AD) release. This can result in excess release or syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone (SIAD) with low sodium levels, hyponatremia.
Which disorders are caused by posterior pituitary dysfunction? Pituitary disorder, sacromegaly, craniopharyngioma, Cushing disease/Cushing syndrome, growth hormone deficiency, non-functioning pituitary adenoma, prolactinoma, Rathke's cleft cyst.
Friends, we have completed today's group discussion. Let's join tomorrow with new questions and answers. Bye.